Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as many of you guys know, I ended up doing a guest room makeover this past weekend, and in that video I didn't really go into detail as to where I got things from. So I wanted to do a separate video because that video I was mostly focused on like the process of doing the makeover. So in this video I am going to be talking about like where I got things from and just like more in detail, and I'll also have everything linked down below. So if you guys want to see my guest room tour, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is the door. So when you first walk in, this is pretty much like the first thing you see right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the door so you guys can see. This is pretty much the door, and then there is a blank wall right there. I'm not the type of person to kind of like hang stuff up, so I am just gonna leave that be for right now. I was kind of thinking about putting like little hooks on there, so whenever like somebody takes a shower or something, they can hang their towels right there, but I'm not really sure. This is the closet that's right next to it. So I have kind of shown you guys the closet. I guess I'll show you guys really quickly like what it looks like now, because I did kind of switch it up. So this is an overview of the closet, which you guys have seen in my previous videos. So I did get all those baskets from Five Below, and up there I just have kind of like shorts and just spring stuff and summer stuff. And then my closet, as you guys know, is kind of color coordinated, so I do have like goes from like whites to darks pretty much. And then over here I mostly have like sweaters, and I did get this whole set thing from Ikea. Same thing with the baskets, I got it from Ikea. And then I did add a basket because I did mention before that I used to have my shoes all like across the closet, and it didn't fit anymore after I added that little like shelving thing. So I did end up using this basket. So this basket we got as a gift, but this is pretty much what the closet looks like now. I really am so obsessed with it, but I do want to change out like those little things out of the cubbies, but that's just what it pretty much looks like. I do have my shoes in there. So moving on from the closet, over here we have these curtains, which I did get from Amazon. Everything that I mentioned in this video is going to be linked down below. I did also get the curtain rods from Amazon. I am so obsessed with this like curtain style with the whole like hook thingy, and then they come all the way down. I don't know, I really love that look. And then over here I have this chair. I am absolutely obsessed with this chair. As you can see, it still has the tag on. A lot of the things in here still have the tags on, but I did get this chair from Wayfair, and then I got the pillow from Target. So this is pretty much what this side looks like. I am just obsessed with how this room turned out. Then moving on to the bed. So on the wall I have this whole like basket thing that I did get from several places. I did get those 3 from the thrift store, and then I got those 2 from Ikea. That one I got from Homegoods, and then that one I got from Tjmaxx. And honestly, like that one was $17. These 2 were about that same price. That one was $10. But like these were so inexpensive. They were probably like $1. One of them was like 69 cents, and I am missing one. So I want to hang this one up, but I didn't have enough strips. I'm not the type of person to kind of hang stuff on the wall, like I said, and I was just trying to be very careful. So these are hung on there with some Velcro strips, which I will have linked down below also. The smaller ones have 2, and then like these, well, this one has 4, which I should have put 2. And then this one we ended up putting up there with a nail because it was very big. And then the bag part, like it really comes out and there's not enough support in the bag. So I just ended up hanging that one, but that one's the only one that's hung up there. And I kind of had trouble with this whole wall thing because originally it was going to go from there to there, but then it made more sense putting it there. So I kind of worked with what I had. I had so many ideas in my head, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna set it up like how I think it should be, and then once I'm done, I'm gonna see like where things should actually go, and if I should go to the store and go shop for more things. But yeah, so that is that. And then the bed, I love the bed. It's very simple. Just this whole room is very simple, which I absolutely love. So those two on the outside I got from HomeGoods, and then that one and that one I got from Burlington. I don't exactly remember how much they were. And then this one I got from HomeGoods, and this one still has a tag on here. I also did a home decor haul, and I think I mentioned this one. Oh, this one's from Tjmaxx, so I got for 20 bucks. I don't know why all these things still have the tags on there. But yeah, so I am obsessed with like the pillow pattern that I chose. And then the bedding is from Target. I got the bedding like 2 months ago. It was actually from the I forgot what it's called, but like the basics section, I think. Moving on to the nightstand. So on top of the nightstand, I have that little fake plant, which I did get from Target, and yeah, it's like very rubbery. And then these two candles I ended up getting from Marshall's. I got them literally the same day that we were decorating this room. And then this nightstand right here, I did end up getting from Target. It was actually like $180, but I ended up getting it for like $110 or something like that. I'm just obsessed with the look. It's very like mid-century like. And then again, the same curtains I got from Amazon, and then the curtain rods I also got from Amazon. And then I did purchase this plant, which I feel like it ties the whole room together because it kind of gives it like a very earthy vibe. But I did get this from Burlington. I did take the tag off this one, and I'm pretty sure it was like $35. And then on this wall right here, I just have the TV. So the TV we got as a gift when we moved, but as you can see, the wall is just very, very bare. And I did buy 2 shelves that I got from Target. They were pretty expensive. They were like $25. And I was gonna put it over there, but then I didn't like how it looked. I just liked the very simple look. So I ended up just leaving it like this because I originally wanted the chair, this chair right here, to go in that corner, but then it didn't make any sense because I don't know, like if you're sitting down and the TV's right there, it just didn't really make any sense. So I ended up putting the chair on this side so like everybody can be watching TV and stuff. And then this rug right here, I did get from Ikea. I didn't like it at first because I thought it was very small for this room. So as you guys can see, like it leaves a lot of space on the edges, and it's just very small. But I feel like after I put everything together, it really tied the room together. The only thing is that it's not comfortable at all because it's very like, I don't know, like it's very spiky. So it kind of hurts when you're walking on there, but eventually you just get used to it. But yeah, I didn't like it at first, but I feel like it just ties the whole room together. It's very like boho. I was going for that boho modern look, and I think it turned out really, really well. But yeah, this is like a little overview of everything. I am just obsessed. I think we did a great job at decorating this room, and basically what I envisioned came true. I did so many drawings on how like I wanted things to be. So I did drawings with the bed being there, with the bed being on this side, and the TV being on that side, and all that stuff. So yeah, I think it turned out really, really good, and it does leave a lot of extra space just in case like other people come in. We can always put like an air bed right there, which I do have one. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this guest room tour. I am honestly just so obsessed and so proud on how everything turned out. You guys know that I have had this idea for a couple of months now, and it finally came true. I really like how everything turned out. It's very simple, very basic, but it's still like, I don't know, just this whole room transformation has been a very like fun process for me, and I have received so much positive feedback from everybody on Instagram, on Snapchat, on Facebook, my family, and all that stuff. So if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, then go ahead and follow me. I'll have it linked down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this whole room makeover process, and let me know any other video suggestions you guys may have, any other like tours or rooms you guys would like to see me finish. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.